Hey everyone, my name is Tim. I'm with the Brantford Public Library. For this month's Family Crafts, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own DIY photo frame out of popsicle sticks. Alright, you're going to need a craft kit, which you can pick up at the Brantford Public Library, and it will include the popsicle sticks. You're also going to need a hot glue gun, and you're going to need a decor to go on the outside of the picture frame, and a photograph, 3 inches by 2 3/4 inches. Alright, well, let's get started. Let's go ahead and get started by taking out the instructions and the popsicle sticks out of the bag. Now we're going to separate them according to size. I have 8 large sticks. I have 2 straight edge and round edge sticks. I have 2 medium sticks and 4 small sticks. Now we're going to put together the 8 large sticks vertically and try to line them up. Use one of the other sticks to help get them all even. And then we're going to slide up the 1st, the 3rd, the 5th, and the 7th, about a 1/2 inch. We'll line them up again. Oops. Alright, so now we're going to put the photograph on top in the center to make sure the sticks line up. They do. So we're going to push them back together, making sure that they're even. Then we're going to take 2 of the small sticks, and one is going to go on top, one is going to go on the bottom, about 2 inches apart. So we're going to hot glue these. We're going to hot glue the next one. Press it down. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over. Now this is the back. Now let's work on the front. Go ahead and grab your photograph and place it in the center. We're going to grab our pencil, and then we're going to draw a line on the top of the photograph, cross, and draw a line on the bottom. And that's going to help guide us on where to place these 2 sticks. So you're going to grab the 2 small sticks, and we're going to place one there and one there, the top and the bottom. So we're going to hot glue them down. going to place it on top of the pencil line. And do the same with the bottom. I'm going to place that one on the bottom of the pencil line. Next, we're going to hot glue the two medium pieces on. Now we're ready for our decor. You can use ribbon, flowers, buttons. We're ready for our stand. So we're going to use the last two sticks to serve as the stand. We're going to turn over the frame to the back, and then we're going to place the straight edge against the bottom of the top stick on the back. So we're going to stand up the frame to get the angle that it needs to be at for it to stand on its own. We're going to hot glue it down. Try to remember at what angle you had it at. It's going to take a few seconds for it to dry and harden. So hold it there in place. After it hardens, we're going to stand it up, and just to make sure that it's at the right angle you want it to be at. Alright, I think it's hardened. Good. So we're going to stand it up, and at this point, if it's too vertical, we can kind of bend it just a tad. Bend it in the back. There we go. Looks right to me. So now we're going to glue the other stick. Try to get it at the same angle as the other one. We're going to hold that until that hardens. Once the glue dries, we're going to pick up the frame and turn it back to the front. And we're going to take our photograph and insert it through the side here. I'm going to slide it through. Now we have our completed DIY picture frame. We want to thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to pick up your kits here at the Brantford Public Library.